Hello students, now we will discuss ray optics, reflection, mirror formula for spherical mirror. Mirror formula, the relation between distance of object u, distance of image v and focal length f of a spherical mirror is called mirror formula and is given by 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. For concave mirror, in the case of concave mirror, the image found may be real or virtual depending upon the position of the object. Thus, two cases arises when a real image is formed and number two, when virtual image is formed. Now we will discuss to derive mirror formula for concave mirror when a virtual image is formed. Mirror formula when a virtual image is formed. Let MPM dash be the principal section of a concave mirror with its pole at P and center of curvature at C. This is the principal section of concave mirror MPM dash. This point is the pole P and this point is C, the center of curvature of the concave mirror. Let CP be the principal axis. Line joining C and P, center of curvature, and pole is the principal axis of the concave mirror. And so this point F is the focus point of the concave mirror. And object AB lying on the principal axis between pole P and focus F. This is the object AB placed between the focus point and pole of the concave mirror. A ray of light from point A incident at the pole P of the concave mirror and obeying the law of reflection after reflection passes along PQ. This is the incident ray AP and this is the reflected ray PQ. Obeying the law of reflection, the angle I, angle of incident, is equal to angle R, the angle of reflection. Another ray of light from point A passing through the center of curvature returns back along the same path after reflection from the mirror. This is the another ray of light passing through center of curvature incident on the mirror and after reflection it returns back along the same path. So AD is the another incident ray of light passing through center of curvature incident on the mirror at point D and return back along the same path. The two ray of light after reflection diverges and appear to be coming from point A dash. Which is the virtual image of point A. From A dash, draw A dash B dash perpendicular on principal axis. Therefore, the perpendicular A dash B dash drawn on the principal axis is the virtual image of the object AB. So A dash B dash is the virtual image of object AB. Now the triangle A dash B dash P, similar triangle ABP. This is triangle ABP and this is triangle A dash B dash P. These two triangles are similar. Therefore, A dash B dash upon AB, that is A dash B dash upon AB, is equal to B dash P upon BP, is equal to B dash P upon BP. Put this equation number 1. Similarly, triangle ACB, similar triangle A dash C B dash. Triangle ABC, similar triangle A dash B dash C. Triangle ABC, similar triangle A dash B dash C. Therefore, A dash B dash upon AB, A dash B dash upon AB is equal to B dash C upon BC. A dash B dash upon AB is equal to B dash C upon BC. Put this question number 2. From question 1 and question 2, left hand side is same. Therefore, B dash P upon BP is equal to B dash C upon BC. As all the distances are measured from pole, therefore put BC equal to CP minus BP, BC is equal to CP minus BP, BC is equal to CP minus BP, and B dash C is equal to CP plus B dash P. As all the distances are measured from the pole, therefore put BC is equal to CP minus BP and B dash C is equal to CP plus B dash P, as is clear from the diagram. Therefore, we get B dash P upon BP is equal to CP plus B dash P upon CP minus BP. Put this question number 3. Now, using the new signs of convention, we find that BP is equal to minus U, as it is against the direction of incident ray. U is the distance of the object from the mirror, and B dash P is equal to V, distance of the image from the mirror, because it is in the same direction of incident ray. So B dash P is equal to plus V. CP is equal to minus R, radius of curvature. It is again negative because it is again against the direction of incident ray. Putting these values in equation 3, we have V upon minus U is equal to minus R plus V upon minus R minus U. Now minus minus become plus. Therefore, we get V upon minus U is equal to minus R plus V upon minus R plus U. Now cross multiply, we get minus VR is plus UV, multiply V into minus R plus U, we get minus VR plus UV is equal to minus U into minus R become plus UR minus UV, that is minus VR plus UV is equal to UR minus UV. So by rearranging, we get UV plus UV is equal to UR plus VR. UV plus UV become 2UV. Therefore, 2UV is equal to UR plus VR. Dividing by UVR both sides, we get 2UV upon UVR is equal to UR upon UVR plus VR upon UVR. Now UV cancel each other. In the right hand side, U cancel with U and R cancel with R. In the second term, VR cancel with VR. So we have 2 upon R is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, or 2 upon 2F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, because radius of curvature R is equal to 2F twice focal length, where F is the focal length of the mirror. So we get 2 upon 2F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. 2 and 2 cancel each other. Therefore we get 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So this is the mirror formula for concave mirror if image formed is virtual. Now image formed is real or virtual, the mirror formula for concave mirror remains same. Thank you very much.